Most of you watching this have WhatsApp on your phone, but did you know you can actually make money on this app? Today, we're going to see if I can do it. I'm going to try and make $1,000 on WhatsApp in just 1 hour by copying what other content creators have done. I know this sounds crazy, but let's see if this actually works. Timer starts now. The first thing I'll do is create my community. I have my WhatsApp community set up. Now, what do people actually sell on WhatsApp? So, creators on WhatsApp actually sell digital products and online courses, but I don't have them right now, and I only have an hour to start earning. Let's see other ways to earn money on WhatsApp. How to make money on WhatsApp. Oh, it's long, hang on. Okay, so some people send newsletters. I like newsletters. It's interesting to see it on WhatsApp as a text message, because no one opens their bloody emails these days. Time check, I've spent 5 minutes creating the community, and I need to come up with a newsletter real quick. I'm checking how creators send newsletters these days. So I found this group called Geek Out Pro, and they send their social media updates to their group. Maybe I can try that. Let me curate all my resources. And done. Okay, I have my newsletter, but how do people actually make money from this? Okay, I found this creator. Let's see what she does. She has a paid WhatsApp group. So I need to turn my group into a paid one too. She's using this website to actually gate her WhatsApp group. So we're going to try that too. I'm signing up for a community and connecting my WhatsApp group. They have a money tab. I'm guessing this is where you can see how much you've made. And withdrawals tab. So it's like they will pay on the app and you can withdraw your earnings. But I have less than an hour left. Let's try another way. Maybe a faster option because time is running out. I'm checking the other ways to monetize on this platform. One-on-one consultations. Could I get someone to book a consultation with me right now? This is way more complicated, guys. What else? Events? Oh, paid online challenges. Maybe I can do that. I mean, I just need people to join today to achieve my $1,000 goal. Okay, I'll set this up. Time check. I've already spent 30 minutes, so we have to be very smart about our next move. So I'm creating a challenge on their website, and apparently they have templates. Let me try creating a 5-day no sugar challenge, just because, you know, life is sweeter if your blood sugar ain't spiking higher. we got one laugh. Yes. I'm setting the price to $10. I need to do the checkpoints, and I don't have time to brainstorm, so let's use their challenge GPT. That took 5 minutes. 25 minutes left. But right now, I need members. I'll ask my friends. So 4 people actually joined my challenge. I sent them through the challenge link and they've each paid $10. And now they're part of my group. That's $40, which is like 4% of our target. 4% is way too low. How many people do I need to join? Like 100? I only have 4. And I have about 20 minutes or so I'm going to try and find more participants. Maybe adding a reward will make it more attractive. How about a $50 gift card from Amazon so they can treat themselves afterwards? I'll post this on my Instagram story and fingers crossed people respond to it. Or maybe I should just DM them. Let's DM a couple of my followers. I sent a DM to about 20 of them. Okay, only 1 has replied and joined. That's another $10 for me though. Most of them left me on scene. Oh, 1 is typing. $1,000 in an hour is crazy, and I have no idea what gave me confidence an hour ago. But let's keep pushing. I'll DM 10 more people. It's the last 5 minutes of the challenge and only 8 more people joined. So I officially failed this challenge, guys. Maybe I didn't get $1,000 in 1 hour, but I did make real money on WhatsApp. Okay, in total I made, drum roll please, I made about $120. So not $1,000, but still a win. Who would have thought I could have earned $120 on WhatsApp in just an hour anyway?
4 to 6 days later.
Okay guys, 5 days since I did that 5-day no sugar challenge. And guess what? I actually have 15 more signups. Apparently a lot of people want to join. Challenges is a great way to engage with your members while making some money on WhatsApp. It's simple. You set up a challenge with a clear goal like my 5-day no sugar challenge and charge a fee for people to join. This not only motivates participants to stay committed, but also creates a sense of community as everyone works towards the same goal. Plus, it's a win-win situation. Participants get to achieve something meaningful and you get paid for organising it. I failed my 1-hour challenge, but it showed all the monetization opportunities I can make on WhatsApp. So, how much did we end up making? $270. I didn't hit the $1,000 goal, but I learned a lot of hacks on how to make money on WhatsApp, and I hope you learned a lot from the challenge too. 1 hour is not enough time to create a paid product on WhatsApp, and definitely you need to be more active in managing your group. But I think if you do this consistently, you can earn more than I did. So, I challenge all of you to do a better job than me and create your first paid challenge today.